you are allowed to have independent contractor. There are certain positions, especially sales jobs, could be independent contractors, depending on the labor law in that state. Independent contractors, what we call 1099 contractors, do have value for job creation from the E2 visa point of view. It's not without value because you are creating work for a US worker. They're just not on your payroll, but you're hiring them as an outside service provider. Now, if you are employing independent contractors as an individual, like you're hiring that person, then that could be considered secondary job creation. However, keep this in mind, a lot of independent contractors, they will incorporate themselves. They will register like an LLC or corporation, where then you're
Mm,
hiring their company, entity, where it becomes like a business to business, B2B relationship. In that case, it's not going to be credited as job creation because essentially you're hiring a company. But if you're
mm,
hiring them as an individual by their own name and you're paying them compensation to themselves individually, that independent contractor position will have secondary value for E2 job creation purposes, based on my
mm,
experience. So ideally, you have at least a small team of employees under the company payroll, what we call W-2 employees here in the United States. So it's never just an evaluation of how many employees you have. It's also evaluation of, are these minimum wage workers or they're earning professional wages? Is this a full-time worker or a part-time employees? If part-time, are they working meaningful hours? Working 5 hours a week is very different than working 20 hours a week. So they evaluate all these factors, the number of jobs, the type of job, the wages, the work hours, to determine if
mm.
your company has created multiple meaningful jobs for American workers.